DIY elbow replacement and the ball valve replacement on my water pipe, yeah, because it broke off. That, yeah, that ball valve is broken, the handle is broken, so it needs to be taken off and it needs to put a new ball valve. So my neighbor here is always fixing pipes if I have any broken water pipe. So I am the one. He is always the one that I call to replace or fix things if anything broke on my pipe. He's good on replacement or fixing pipes or installing pipes. Guys, just keep your eye on the video so you will know if you want to learn something, so you will know how to replace if there's any broken pipe in your line, in your water line. So maybe you can just watch this and learn how to replace a broken ball valve and also replacement of the elbow connector or connection.
Oh.
Pungil. Napungil o gipungil? Pungil ba nagtuyo mo ni siya? Napungil o gipungil og tuyo?
Pungil. Dali na pungil ana eh.
Ha?
Muan kayo pungil.
Dali ra pungil?
Mo sa rin wa na ni pungil po.
Bati din ni nani no?
Ilisin di dago. Dali kayo puan.
Baratuhon ra.
Oh.
Pwede ilabay na nino. Ilabay na ni imo pa ning kuanon girl.
Ihatag natin jang shot na agyan.
Siguro-guro.
Mga babae. Ako na patimbang dai.
Barato ra kay ang pangayos mga babae ay.
Brass, mahal ng brass. Gatos lang kilo.
Gatos ang kilo?
Brass na. Bonsi ba? Mga kilo. Kasi gatip sa kinuha sa ari. Mo ni go.
Dili ay. Lain na.
Nara gilisan na magnipol yan.
So the reason why I video this, so I also myself will learn, or when I watch it, or if any emergency that I cannot find any what you call it, the guy that fixed the pipe, yeah, then I can fix it can fix it myself. And also you people you're watching right now, so will learn how to do replacement of the ball valve and what's that, elbow connector. So just keep your eye on watching this, guys. You'll see what will happen next until it's finished. Let's see if this gets fixed or not. Just watch until the end, so you will find out if it's gonna work. Hi guys, what he is doing right now is he's trying to connect the pipe into the meter, water meter, the water pipe into the water meter. So I was just curious why he's not putting any of that white tape. He said it doesn't need because it has gasket on it. But at the end, when it was turning on, when it was all done, when it was turned on, it was still leaking. So he had to undo that again, and then he was putting Teflon tape, which is that white tape, so it will make it tighter, and no, there will be no more, so there's no more leak.
Gamay from sa'yo ni mapagkuot. Lain sa nagtagyo.
So guys, I guess he was done replacing the ball valve. So what he's gonna do right now is he is gonna be replacing the um, elbow connector, because it was a T connector. Now he's putting it an elbow connector. Just keep your eye guys and watch this. You can learn a lot. See, that's guys is a T pipe. That's a T pipe. That's the old pipe in there, because I want it replaced, and to make it like an elbow connector, so it will just go direct to the pipe onto my house pipe, and that pipe over there with the white tape. So they have to dig a little bit, dig the dirt a little bit, so they have so he has a space for his hands to work on the elbow, so the elbow connector. Just keep your eye on this video guys, so you can learn a lot, and I can also learn myself. It looks like it looks like very easy to do, but I'm sure when we do it ourselves, it's gonna be hard and difficult because of um, the pipe, that is, if it's not in place right, or it's not in the right place. So right now he's putting the lock on the elbow, for the elbow, so it won't leak, or to connect it together. It's almost done, and just keep your eye guys, this is almost finished, and just keep watching so we can learn a lot this. So he's taking off right now, he is taking off the Teflon tape, which is that white tape that's stuck in there, the old tape that was stuck in there the last time that they put the T pipe. So he has to take it off, so there is a space to put that elbow connector. So right now he's struggling a little bit of taking off the um, Teflon tape or white tape taken off on the pipe. Now he is putting on the black gasket over there, if you see that, so it won't leak. Now he's putting that elbow. That's the elbow, guys. That's the elbow. It looks like an elbow. Yeah, to connect all together that two pipe over there. Now he is putting on the other lock on the other pipe that will connect together.
Ada kopi kasih tempur puro. Ada kopi kasih tempur puro. Ito yun yung kuwan dia.
Ganahan siya maghapa.
Ito yun yung nilo dia. Ito yun yung nilo. Ano naman? Baba.
Unsay tawag ana mi? Gor? Elbow connector?
PE.
Ha?
PE elbow.
PE elbow? PE elbow nya katong usa?
PET.
PET.
Okay? Ah, gani?
Kato ba? Kana ba kana?
Gani kuan bulbul.
The moment of truth is now he is locking. He's putting the lock now. He is locking that pipe now. Let's see what will happen next when he is finished locking it, and it's already done putting the ball valve and the elbow connector. And let's see what will happen if he's gonna on the water. Yan, so guys, already on the water, and there's a little leak on that connection between the water meter and my pipe over there. So it's still a little bit leak, as you can see there. So it needs to be, I told him it has to be taken off and see what happened. He has to take up and he has to put a tape on it because the gasket is no good, and it has to be taken out and putting the Teflon tape on it. Ay gasket ana?
Walang buhatan eh. Kiri.
Oh.
Gasket niya po ni.
Agas mo lagi namin.
Oh.
Di kay malak basta ina na.
Ako mapaong ba? O masintro kayo?
Sipon sa di ka gor.
Sipon sa di?
Pareha ta.
Nasa sipon sa di ka rin?
Wow. Ay pagsugod gahapon ay. Takdan sa ko nimo gor.
Na.
Inyo hatong nakuan, tong nag lake dire ah. Why agas dito?
Hindi, nag-agas. Maagas na nga tumuag-agas. Ano yung ginawa?
Kasi nailik. Wana.
Nag-inunday.
Hmm.
Sabi, gamay para na-ailit.
Abli gamay kung magas na ba?
Nag-inom mo agas.
Hindi na magas.
Wala na cinta rin.
Ayan na guys. Finally, there's no more lake. No more leak on it. So, good job. Everyone, thank you for watching. God bless you.